Yes, you know what time it is? It's time for the most bestest of sleepy time shotguns. So what occurred to me is when I uploaded the retired video, I didn't know my character's name. So, basically during the double episode, Benito Rochinov was Mr. Facebreaker, and we also had the episode where I straight up broke my promise of not swearing as much, and I swore a lot, and I'm still really sorry about the jump cut that happened. And we also unlocked the Sovereign Coldfire. So let's just get right into this. We have it's mission time. It's mission time. All right, so I only have really 2 subscribers right now, so you guys leave it in the comments when I retire this character what weapons you want. The guy with the Mario dude. Your Instagram is Super Dead Christ. I'm pretty sure. You gotta choose first because you're the first subscriber. So choose really any one of these. And then I'll name it after your username. It'll be the Super Dead Christ Swapper or some shit. So yeah, that'll happen. So this episode we're gonna try and again liberate some stuff, do some missions, hopefully see some cool stuff like face breaking somebody through a window. That was my highlight when it happened. Ripped Facebreaker, man. 2K18. Oh, you're quiet. Okay, that's good. And if it's quiet, then I can shoot people and not have to hear that. Okay, so there now is a high chance that somebody's gonna hear it. Let's see. No, nobody's gonna hear it. Gotta steal this prototype. I kinda want the sword, but I'm not gonna take it. Do I have a subverter? No, that was the other character. Oh wait, yes I do have a subverter. Hey, look. Never diss the power of the hacking capabilities. Just don't do it. Bam! Shotgun to the face. Just remember, you can never, ever have too much shotgun. Ah, hell yeah! You all remember the good friend Slipstream? Yeah, well, he's back now. Hi there, Mr. Slipstream. If the audio for my voice sounds weird on this, it's because I forgot how to set up my microphone properly, so it may sound some weird. Now, what I could start doing is editing between when I capture a ship and when I bring it back. But I can't really edit these videos all that much because jump cuts and stuff would make it not make sense. So that's mostly why I'm not editing these videos. Once I learn how to edit, I'll probably edit the Astroneer videos, which, when you see this, they will already be up. But for me, they're going up tomorrow at about 12. Which, I mean, just ignore the last statement. You'll already probably see episode 1. And, I hope you're really enjoying my videos so far. This is really just a hobby. I don't really know if I'm going to continue doing this past a certain point, but I'm having fun with it right now. I mean, hey, it's better than giving a speech in front of people, because that just kills me. It's really nerve-wracking, so just talking into my microphone in the dining room of my house makes it much easier to do. Hey. What did I say about getting shot at the airlock? Dumbass. Or shooting the airlock when you're next to it. I'm talking to myself at this point. I called myself a dumbass. And Mr. Pilot Man. Oh wait, one person's died. I'm sorry, Mr. Dead Man. See, crew killed one. Sorry about that. Hey, this isn't a bloodless mission, so I can make those types of mistakes. And then I can take the ship, because it's mine now. And, at least it's not the boomerang. God, I swore so much. I'm so sorry about that. That was probably the worst promise I could have broken. Yum. So, I really don't know what to say at this point. We're just gonna continue as planned, sort of. I mean, I'm literally only talking... If this is in the future and I've got more subscribers, I'm literally only talking to 2 people right now. If they watch this, or even more. Probably... I don't know how much. Glitch back guarantee. No kills. That will be fine, because I cannot kill. Oh shit, I dropped my mic, I'm sorry. Rip headphone users. Rip the headphone users. I'm kind of sorry about that. But this character can't really kill. I don't have any guns. Well, I mean... Oh, my grenade launcher is just concussive. It's Sleepy Time Central on this hipster ship. So let's go. Time to stab some hipsters. Nah, I'm not stabbing them. Well, I mean, they're gonna die now because I did that. I'm just gonna wait for them to kill themselves from the turret. Kind of. I really hope so. Oh, there it is. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh, there. Didn't want that to be set off. Oh. Yeah, so he's dead now. There, so I took out the captain. Oh, missed my target. That's not good. And, oh. It's like, oh, intruder. They're sleepy. Oh, here they come. Detonate. How did you not? You were in the middle of that explosion. How in the hell are you still alive? Asshole turret. Self-charging impact concussive grenade launcher. That's a good. That's a good. Yeah, this is actually pretty good. I'm just gonna steal a ship now, and it's time for an awkward moment of silence. Maybe I can speed this up. Yes, I can. Go, big spaceship. Go. Did I kill nobody? I hope I did. Oh wait, I did kill somebody. That was a bloodless kill. Fuck. Yeah, so I'm just gonna keep doing missions because that's really what the series is about. Doing missions. Doing some stupid ass missions. I'm gonna do this. It is fuck self-preservation. If this character dies, oops. If not, yay. Characters who die or get captured, I can get back and play as again, but those missions are stupidly hard. So if they do get captured, it's basically they're gonna be done. I don't have anything. Oh, I didn't even activate the slipstream. Wow, disappointment. Deactivate the sentry gun. What's in here? Long range sidewinder. That will let me teleport, obviously. Sentry gun deactivated. They are in my listening view range. I'm just gonna wait till that guy gets there. Oh wait, no, he's just coming towards me. Boom! Shotgun to the face. Slide across the floor. Slide across the floor because you're knocked out. I mean, it's not as bad as the other one. No! Your shield! Fuck you and your shield. Shit. Shit cakes. I'm just gonna do this really fast. Deactivate the sentry gun. Oh wait, no, why did you see me? Asshole. Gotcha. Gotcha. So now I have that and I wrote another here because I am a totally sneaky boy, even though I've been the opposite of sneak. Bam. Get knocked. I may as well. Oh, okay. Wait, I hate when that happens. It's so annoying. Now I just need to figure out how to deal with the... Why? Oh, hey, that makes life easy. Where you going? Where you going? Where you going, buddy? Hey, buddy. Boom! Shotgun right to the face. Shotgun right up the nostril. That would hurt. Even if it was concussive. That would hurt a lot. And I would not recommend being at the receiving end of one. It's probably not all that fun. Grenade. Get grenaded. Alright, so nobody's died. Nobody's died, which is good. That satisfies this. And, I've taken their ship. I'm pretty sure they wanted that, but it's mine now. Deal with it, Offworld. It's like my first episode, I was just suck on that, sovereign asshole. Suck on it, this! Offworld assholes. And so, this video is the shortest, like, holy crap. I'm not gonna retire this character quite yet, because I haven't gotten any people to name it. Actually, I'm gonna go see what they want named. The first person who responds, I'll just name it. None of them are on, so, I guess I'll just name this first one after them, because I am just gonna retire this character now, and I guess I'll start the new one right now. So, I'm gonna retire this. This will be Super Dead Christ. Is it Christ? It's Christ. Shotgun. Confirm. Alright, so he's dead over there, as you can see. Whoa! There's another one? There's another one with a quiet concussive armor-piercing shotgun versus... I'm gonna take the rifle and in the glitcher stick. So now that I've got the glitcher stick, I can tell you all what that one is. So earlier in like the first episode, I'm pretty sure, I explained that glitchers teleport. They're basically the reason that there's visitors and stuff. They teleport using it. The glitcher tick, as you can see, like, I'm aiming with all the other ones to try and hook onto the airlock. With the glitcher's tick, I can just do this. Teleport right on board without anybody noticing, even though nobody has already noticed. And so, yeah, it's kind of counterintuitive. Just works better, in my opinion. Oh, this is automatic? I'm not gonna shoot the, that's not a good idea. It's not a good idea to shoot in the engine room. It's not. Never is, never will be. Actually, I wonder. Nailed it. Ah, gotta hide the body, gotta hide the body, gotta hide the body, gotta hide the body. I am wasting a bunch of armor-piercing ammo. Armor-piercing ammo is hard to find. It's really rare. So there is that. Oh, I should just shoot you at the airlock. Fuck. There, see? Now they're not my problem anymore. Even though I do kind of want that treasure chest, I think I know how to get it. Ah, no, that wasn't what I wanted to do. I just wanted to leap across the, thing. Now I do have to aim with this if I, oh wait, oh. First time's the charm, I guess? Crash trap. That's a trap that takes off, a thing. And so now we get shooty McShooted before you shooty McShoot me. Now that the ship is secure, I can take this. It's a long-range swapper. And now since I've murdered everybody on board and stolen this gun, because this is a armor piercing, so it takes for frickin' ever to get armor piercing. I'm just gonna go home. Gotta get that good turn. And, so. I mean, I don't really have much to say because, I mean, I'm not really doing anything right now, and the video will be coming to an end soon. Now, yes, I know that I am ending in between a liberation thing, but it's because the first one happened so fast. Actually, I forgot that there was a speed up thing. And this ship is not working. So, oh, wait, yes, it's working. It's working. I stand corrected, it's working. Actually, this video will be another long video because I do want to, get, what do I have to do? I have to steal this. Okay, setting off any alarms. I'm going to not steal a ship this time. I'm going to show you all that you do not have to steal the ship to be a good thief. It's just, you know, a good idea. And if you don't set off any alarms, then nobody's known that you've stolen it, and that would be quite the surprise if, you know, you dock and you think all your crew is alive, and then, in reality, they're all just dead because you murdered them all. That is a great thought. Shield's gone. Oh, what? That was bullshit. That was fast. That was fast McBullshitty. Nobody heard it. Great. Boop. Gotta get them both. Now, you wanna know what I feel like doing? If I could get the angle. How could I get the angle? I know. Whoop. You. Ah, damn it. An alarm was triggered. I'm stuck now. Do I have a key cloner? Yes, I do have a key cloner. There's nobody with a fucking key, really. There, key gotten. Key's been gotten. May as well take the whole ship then. If this frickin' moves, gonna have to shoot you. Sorry about that, my dude. Quick. Oh, I got him. Shit. Fuck. Thank God. Shit. Damn it. Took care of it. Somebody's dead now, and nobody knows but me. Haha. That's totally a good thing. Oh, they saw the dead body. No. Stop it with your dead body seeing ways. Fuck. They all see me. All of them. They all see me. I think I know how to fix this. Watch this. Bam. They have no idea I'm here. They have some idea if I'm here. They have no idea I'm here. Stealth shield. Yes. Invisible. Hi. See? Look at how invisible I am. I'm just gonna take out the engine if I miss you. Nope. Oh, I have a good idea. Oh! Why is this so far away? Gosh darn it. Let me just catch myself really fast. Teleport back on. Guess this works. And take this. Shut this off. And yeah, this is still good. This is still going on YouTube. I'm out of ammo. Fuck it. I'm about to wrench the shit out of you. It's running time. See, look how stupid the guards are. No! Our slaps counteracted each other. Counteractive slaps. How can you still machine? You can no longer see me. Oh, it's only from the front? Weird. Nope. This is like the last person, and I'm playing cat and mouse with them. There. Alright, so ships are secured. I did not get the good pay. I'm still pretty sure that I get the good liberation from it. So there's that. So the video is not gonna be done yet. There's still one more mission. And then it's over. So I really hope that you've been enjoying it. And, like it if you like it. If you don't like it, then don't like it. If you like it and you don't like it, that's also okay, I guess. I mean, I'm not forcing you to do anything. I need to capture you. No alarm response. So let's go and steal some stuff. Wait, you're a liberator. What's your personal mission? I don't know your personal mission, because I think I've done it. Yeah, I think I might have already done your personal mission. Without the really cool. I still have no armor piercing. So that's nice. There, see, they can't see you if you have a stealth shield, because they totally can't see through that slightly transparent wall. Smack. Ship secured. What am I after? Oh, I just have to steal the thing with no crew response. It's not like I'd not murder anyone. I mean, I only didn't kill anybody because, I don't have anything that I can kill. And because I'm out of gosh darn ammo. Yes, game. Have more ammo. Because more ammo means more goodness. Steal this, no. Steal that, no. Steal this, no. Steal this, maybe. Steal this, steal this. I would steal all the other things if I had the correct, things. I don't. I really don't. I'd need, like, a subverter or a crash beam. I mean, I have a crash trap. No, not this character. I always get confused with my characters. It's just a thing that happens. And I am out of... No! Why did you have the... Come here, I dare you! I dare you! Get the smackerdoos. You also get the smackerdoos. How am I going to take care of it? I have the self. God, why did that take so long? Really? Smack. Urdu. Smack, smack, Urdu, or smacker, smack, Urdu. Smack, smack, Urdu, or smacker, smack, Urdu. Smack, smack, Urdu, or smacker, smack, Urdu. Smack, smack, or smack, Urdu, and smack. Now it's time to fast travel all the way back. Hopefully finishing up this episode soon, because we're getting on 30 minutes. I'm just gonna do this one. It's gonna be fast, simple, and not all that hard. I wonder if I can speed this up. I can. Quickly teleport on board. I don't have any guns. Smack you. I mean, now I have a gun. It's gunning time. There, objective killed. One person's dead. I'm gonna try to make it have 2 people dead. Bam, 2 people's dead. I wanna see what's in that chest. Then I'm gonna finish up the episode. Oh wait, I wanted this side. So if you like the video, please like and subscribe. If you're new, please subscribe. If you're old, I mean, you know the drill. If you want any other sort of games, I'll see if I have them, if you want me to play them. And so, I might do a series on those if you guys want. And so we just unlocked automatic guns. But wait, no, I don't want to do this yet. Change character. Let's just go all the way. Well, I mean, the video is coming to a close, so I hope you enjoyed the video, and this is Assault Saint. You've been watching Heat Signature for last 30 minutes. I hope those 30 minutes were well spent, and have a nice day.